Stop using FluentValidation in your minimal APIs. Seriously, delete the Nugget package. The .NET 10 finally added native built-in validation with just one line of code. If you want a cleaner backend, hit subscribe right now. Let's jump into the ID and I'll show you how to set it up. Alright, let's start with case number 1, the way most developers write validation when they're in a rush. So typically in the user controller file here, we see user request model coming in. But since it has no metadata, we have to do the verifications manually, right? So we come back here, we do the check for the full name. We do all the check for the full name. Then we do the check also for the email address, and we do that for the age, and if any errors arise, we are going to return them. So I just want to be clear with you that the method I just showed is a bad method of doing validation, right? So the better way of doing it is using FluentValidation. So as you can see, I've already installed the packages necessary for that. So I'll still have my user request model here, but then I'll have a validator class where I'm going to pass this, right, the user request model, and I'm going to have a role for each property, right? For the full name, I'm going to do the validation for that. For the email address, I'll do the same, and for the age, I'll still do it, right? So after that, I come to the controller, I do the dependency injection, right? And in case there's anything that goes wrong, I just return it. So that's it. And finally, case number 3, the optimal case. Basically here we have the user request model, and inside we declare our constraints inline using native data annotations. So we have required string length, email address, range, right? So let's go back to user controller. Typically what happens is that if the incoming payload fails any rules, the pipeline automatically rejects it with a perfect 400 byte request schema before your endpoint logic is even touched. So no extra Nugget package, no boilerplate, just pure native performance. Clean, native, and blazing fast. That's the beauty of updating your stack. If this just saves you from installing another unnecessary Nugget package, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button. We are building a cool community of developers who love clean, no nonsense C# code, and your subscription helps the algorithm push these tips to more devs. Drop a comment below. Are you sticking with FluentValidation or going native? Let me know, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.